students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Madhu. So my YouTube channel is Science Maths Academy 2023. In this YouTube channel you will get everything about class 10th math science. So tricky methods, old question papers will be solved, new question papers, new model papers will be solved. So everything will be get in only one channel. So please like my videos, share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Hi everyone. In this video we are going to answer for metals and non-metals previous year question paper. In that one, in the previous video we have answered up to 20th question. Now let us answer from 21st question. The 21st question is, the gas liberated when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules anta kottiyane. So Zn reacts with sulfuric acid, so it give rise to ZnSO4 plus H2. So which gas is liberated? So hydrogen gas is liberated. So the gas liberated when zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid is hydrogen. So the right answer for 21st question is option D, hydrogen. Option D, hydrogen. The 22nd question is, when a copper is exposed to air for a long time, it acquires a green coat because it reacts with. So the right answer is moist carbon dioxide. Copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide to form copper carbonate, and that copper carbonate forms a green coat on copper. For 22nd, the right answer is option D, moist carbon dioxide. So now let us move for the 23rd question, that is the amphoteric oxide among the following is. So which is the amphoteric oxide? Sodium oxide, zinc oxide, calcium oxide, potassium oxide. So the right answer is the amphoteric oxide is, in our syllabus they have given two example. One is that is aluminum oxide, another one is zinc oxide. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದವನು ಜಿಂಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 23rd ಈಸ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದ amphoteric oxide. Now let us move for 24th question. An alloy that made up of copper and tin. ಸೊ ಕಾಪರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಿನ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಲಾಯ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. The alloy made up of copper and tin is, that is what they have given: brass, solder metal, then bronze, then stainless steel. An alloy that made up of copper and tin. Copper ಮತ್ತೆ tin add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get an alloy, and the name of that alloy is bronze. So bronze ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಚು. Option C, bronze. So now let us move for 25th question, that is when a carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide, salts and water are produced. When a carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide, salt and water are produced, then the nature of carbon dioxide is dash anta kottiyane. Acidic, metallic, both acidic and metallic, and basic. So now the right answer for this question is, so now let us answer this question, that is carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide, it is a base. It reacts with carbon dioxide to form salt and water. So calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form salt and water. So calcium hydroxide base ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್? It is acidic. Option A is the right answer. So for this question, option A, that is option A, acidic in nature. So now let us move for 26th question. That is, observe the following chemical reactions. Fe plus CuSO4 give rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. Zn plus FeSO4 give rise to ZnSO4 plus Fe. The decreasing order of the reactivity of the metals in the above reaction. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 20th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು 26th ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದೆನ್ ಐರನ್, ಐರನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಾಪರ್. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. That is, zinc is more reactive than iron and iron is more reactive than copper. So now let us move for 27th question. Now let us move for 27th question. So 27th question ge hogana. The process used to convert sulfide ore of metals into their oxide ore. So sulfide ore na oxide ore agi convert ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ calcination, roasting, reduction and electrolysis. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ದೇರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ಓರ್ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಓರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಓರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ಓರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ 27th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. Heating of ore in presence of oxygen to convert ore into, that is sulfide ore into oxide ore, is called as roasting. So now let us move for the 28th question. The stages followed during the extraction of zinc from zinc sulfide ore are respectively. So the stages during the extraction of zinc from zinc sulfide, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗೇ ನಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ರೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ ಓರು ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಓರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಓರನ್ನ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಓರ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು, that is metal ore, that is metal oxide ore is reduced to metal. That metal is not 100% pure. To get 100% pure we are going for refining. The correct answer is option C, roasting, reduction, refining. So for 28th question the right answer is option C. So now let us move for 29th question. The 29th question is, observe the following equations of chemical reactions. So Zn plus FeSO4 give rise to ZnSO4 plus Fe. 2Al plus 3ZnSO4 give rise to Al2SO4 taken thrice plus 3Zn. The increasing order of reactivity of the metal in the above reaction is, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಿಂಕು ಐರನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಐರನ್. ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಮ್ಮು ಜಿಂಕನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಐರನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಐರನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಐರನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಐರನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ. So the right answer is option A. For 29th the right option is option A. Fe is less reactive than zinc and zinc is less reactive than aluminium. So now let us move for 30th question. So the 30th question is, the amphoteric oxide among the following. This question also repeated, that is option D, zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is a amphoteric oxide. So for 30th question the right answer is option D, zinc oxide. Now let us move for the 31st question. The 31st question is a diagram question. That is, draw the diagram of arrangements of the operator to show the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning So label the following parts: zinc granules and soap solution. So it is a diagram question. Now let us move for the 32. So 32nd question is, ionic compound in solid state do not conduct electricity, but in molten state are good conductors of electricity. Why anta kelidane. So now let us answer this question. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ 32nd ಮೊದಲನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ. So why it does not conduct electricity at solid state? Because there is no movement of electrons. Because there is no movement of electrons. So electron gala movement irodilla. But it will conduct electricity at molten state. So molten state nalli yake electricity conduct madutte andre adike bariyana, because there is a movement of ions. So it is not electrons, sorry, there is a movement of ions. So here it conduct electricity at molten state because there is a movement of ions. So ion gala movement irutte. So this is the answer that you have to write. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇದು ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ with the help of electron dot structure. So now let us ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಮೂರು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, metal loses electrons. Metal loses electrons. So metal loses electron anta tagondre, here magnesium is a metal having atomic number 12. So if you distribute the electrons, so K shell can accommodate 2, L 8 and M 2. So that means the valence electron is 2. That means magnesium can lose 2 electrons. So now Mg, magnesium atom 2, 8, 2. By losing 2 electron, magnesium atom will become magnesium ion. Plus it loses 2 electron. So this is the first step we have to follow. Then coming to the step number 2. The step number 2 is non-metal gains electrons. So here the non-metal is chlorine. Its atomic number is 17. So distribute chlorine. So 2, 8, 7. That means chlorine can gain 1 electron. So chlorine atom, so 2, 8, 7. So it will gain 1 electron. By gaining 1 electron, chlorine atom will become chloride ion. 2, 8, 8. So chlorine atom by gaining 1 electron become chloride ion 2, 8, 8. So this is the step number 2. Now let us move for step number 3. So step number 3 ge hogana. So in the step number 3, formation of magnesium chloride. So formation of magnesium chloride is the step number 3. So formation of magnesium chloride, magnesium valence electron is 2, then chlorine plus Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 electron will be transferred here and 1 more electron will be transferred here. So now it will become MgCl2. So like this magnesium chloride is formed. You have to follow 3 steps. So now let us move for 33rd question. So the 33rd question is, draw the diagram to show the arrangement of the operators used for testing the conductivity of salt solution and label graphite rod anta ide. So it is a diagram question. Now let us move for 34th question, that is give reason. So internal choice question is there. So now let us answer the first question. 33rd is diagram. Then the 34th question is, that is give reason. So now let us answer first set of give reason. that is the first set of give reason is metals are used in making cooking vessels ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ metals are because metals are good conductor of heat. Metals are good conductor of heat. So that is the answer for why we are using as a cooking vessels. Sodium metal is stored in kerosene. So because sodium readily reacts with air and water. That is the answer for second give reason. So now let us answer one more internal choice question is there, that is also give reason. When a calcium metal reacts with water, the liberated hydrogen gas does not catch fire. So now let us answer this question. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ reason ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ because reaction of calcium with water is not exothermic. So ಹೆಚ್ಚು heat ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why the hydrogen will not catch fire. So because the reaction of calcium with water is not exothermic. Next, coming to the next question, that is ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. So ionic compounds will have high MP and BP. Why they have high MP and BP? Because it requires more energy to break the intermolecular force between ions. To break intermolecular force between ions, it requires more energy. So that is the answer for 34th question. Now let us move for 35th and the last question of that is what we call metals and non-metals of previous year question paper. That is the metal that displaces copper from copper sulfate solution is mercury, gold, iron, silver. So the right answer is iron, because iron is more reactive than copper. So the right answer is option C, that is iron. So iron is the right answer. So by this we have successfully completed, that is metals and non-metals chapter, that is what we call previous year question papers. All the questions have been answered. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribed, watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. So don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Thank you very much.